Hey food enthusiasts! Craving Vietnamese cuisine without compromising your health goals? We're here to help. Join us on a culinary adventure that strikes the perfect balance between flavor and health. Experience the exotic world of Vietnamese food, both delicious and nutritious. We'll introduce you to a range of dishes, from fresh spring rolls to hearty noodle bowls, each packed with authentic flavors. All of this while keeping your health in mind. Discover the best healthy options that'll tantalize your taste buds.
Hey food enthusiasts, back for more takeaway tips. This week we're going to do Vietnamese food, and I'm going to provide you with some fun facts so that you can eat the foods that you like. So check these recipes out.
Vietnamese cuisine is low in oil, relying on an assortment of fresh vegetables and a variety of light, tangy sauces for its distinctive taste. The cuisine emphasizes balance and freshness, minimizing oil use. Its light quality contrasts pleasantly with heavier, oilier cuisines. Staple components are noodles and rice, the backbone of most meals. These basics are complemented by a mix of healthful ingredients like lime, anise, a variety of Asian vegetables and fish. The cuisine carefully marries various flavors, aromatics, warmth, sweetness, sourness, and fishiness. Traditional components like mint, lemongrass, and garlic are not condiments, but vital components that add flavor and health benefits. Ingredients like mint, lemongrass, and garlic are not just mere additions, but traditional elements that significantly contribute to the creation of a flavorful meal, while simultaneously providing impressive health benefits. Here are some foods and ingredients to avoid: caramel sauce, wheat pancakes, and crispy noodles. Steer clear of peanuts and fried dishes. Avoid satays with high-calorie dips, sauces with peanut butter and coconut milk. Spare ribs, tempting as they are cholesterol-laden. Lastly, xiaogung might healthy, but its honey sauce is usually sugar-dense. Now let's talk about some good healthy choices. Let's start with soup. It's a hearty meal that is rich in fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. You can request less meat for a lower-fat option. Next, we have con chua soup, a tamarind-flavored broth with delightful ingredients, pineapple and tomato. Another option is goi quan, fresh spring rolls packed with vegetables. Unlike deep-fried rolls, these have a fresh flavor. Pair them with rau muong zao toi, stir-fried water spinach with garlic, which can also be enjoyed with brown rice. Moving on, we have ga se fei, light diced chicken with mint leaves, and bo sha lui nuong, grilled beef with lemongrass and vegetables, where lean meat is roasted to add flavor. Seafood is tempting too, with options like ka hap, nutritious steamed fish dishes, and shrimp with fish sauce. And don't forget to try lychee, a fabulous tropical fruit.
Did that help? I'm here to help. Each week I will provide exercise tips, nutrition tips, mindset tips, lifestyle tips, and in the comments make sure that you let me know which one that you like the most. And if you're liking what I'm doing, please like, share, and comment. Tell your friends, spread the word, trust the process.